Okay, now we are recording my 2GS from the video splitter. Let's increase the volume, shall we? So, control panel. That is like 80% volume. I'll do a reboot. Let's look at some blue. That looks very clean to me, honestly. That looks super duper clean. Alright, let's see. So, escape. Let's see what HappleWorks looks like. I have a cat on my lap. Bunch of capital A's. Look at the points. These all look pretty good, honestly. And then some lowercase w's. Center column looks pretty good. Let's try some graphics. Page preview has some. I think that looks pretty good. How about paint? That's pretty good for double high res. That is really solid, honestly. Let's try some GS stuff. I think I'm probably cutting off the bottom of the screen a little bit here, but one thing at a time. Color seems a little washed out. Not bad. I mean, pretty clean, really. And the monitor I'm plugged into actually looks great. I'm actually terrible at this game. there's a cat on my lap, and he loves this game. Now, the bottom of the screen is cut off. You can't see the extra lives that I have amassed, or that I got. Alright, how do I quit out of this game? I really don't know. Escape doesn't do it. Apple period doesn't do it. Apple Q doesn't do it. Control C doesn't do it. I'm just gonna have to reboot.